And here it comes, nicely shrink wrapped. Okay, so here we have some radiators that have been through the machine. They've been shrink wrapped. Now Mariusz will be putting it into a very thick cardboard box, and eventually it will go on a pallet completely surrounded by cardboard, and hopefully will not get damaged by some careless forklift driver in transit. These radiators are seriously heavy. That's probably 100 kilos, about 200 pounds. See the bleed valve here? We used to have bleed valves that stuck out about an inch, and of course, every so often, they get broken off. So this type of bleed valve doesn't get broken off, even if it should get knocked. Another little thing we do, these stoppers in the end. Now, there's a bit of residual water in there, and occasionally, when the radiators are being carried into someone's house, water would dribble out onto the white carpet, and we've got a problem. So we put these in so that that doesn't happen. Furthermore, the feet stick out, so that's easy for them to get knocked. So we put sponge on them just to cushion any impact. We supply the customer with handles. It's rounded there, that's where you put your fingers. So once you've got your handle through the radiator, you can bend your knees and pick it up without straining your back.